Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here planning for the week of December 21st through the 27th. Hard to believe, but this is Christmas already. So I'm using this kit from Chels called Santa Baby. I've had it for a very long time. So I think this is actually a 2018 Christmas kit for her, but I really like it and I have it, so I'm still going to use it. So it has all these cute full boxes and some functionals. I have this page, which is a ton of functionals plus some date covers, weekend banner, all that good stuff. This is the washi page. I'm going to use these here, and I'm going to save that stuff for later. Plus you have some icons. This is more headers and other bits and pieces, little things, stuff like that. A couple other full boxes so that you can get different skin tones than what's in here. Some deco, functionals. And this page has full box checklists and a ton of washi strips. So this is like way more than I need for this week, but my plan is to use these full boxes. I think I'm going to stick with this set because I really like these, and I'm just going to use these. I'm going to put down the date covers and use these numbers to go with. I'm going to use the weekend banner. I'm going to use this bottom washi as I mentioned, and then I'm going to use these guys as my headers. So there's like 2 for each color. I think I'm going to put the pink on the side. Or do I want to put the green on the side? Maybe I'll stick the green on the side. I don't know. I'll decide that in the moment, I guess. I'm going to only use a little bit of the washi from here, I think, and basically nothing else. Yeah, I'm just going to get started. So I'm going to start out with these 3 pages, stick these other ones to the side. So I'm going to stick down my date covers and looking my Beauty 360 tweezers from CVS. I'm going to stick down the date covers, I'm going to stick down the bottom washi, I'm going to stick down the weekend banner, and I'm going to stick down the headers for each day. And then I will be back to do all the interesting bits together. Alright, there is the base all down. Somewhere over here I have my full boxes. Alright, so these are my full boxes. I feel like I want to use the double box together. I want to use this one on Thursday, I think, because that's like Christmas Eve. So a To Santa seems appropriate for Christmas Eve. I love this washi tape instead of cookies. I think that's cute. I'm gonna use this one as like my quote box. Looks cute. I think I'm gonna use a double box. Maybe I'll use it over here. I like never stick double boxes over here, but seems like a fun change of pace. on Christmas Day. There we go. I have the little babies left. I think I'm going to stick it down at the bottom over here. All right. So I'm going to, let's see. School, work, sleep, schedule, spending, to claim. I think I'm going to use this little to do on the sidebar. There we go. I'm going to use these two habit trackers because they're on this page. Alright, it really bothers me. I did not stick this evenly. Alright, there we go. Sticking in these two habit trackers. The first one is going to be for Instagram. So I'm going to see if I have an appropriate color Instagram icon. Kind of like this color. These are from Piper Paper Company. I've had them quite a while. There we go. I think that looks pretty cute. And then the other one is for self-care, which I think I'm going to use this little heart from the icons. I think that'll be good. And then underneath that, I have like so much space left. I might use like this today. And then I'm going to use one of these guys. I think I'll use the blue one. There we go. Straighten that guy out a little. Okay, so that'll be for my meals. Alright, and then lastly, I'm going to use the littles because these are like literally littles, right? Because they're young people. So I'm just going to use the littles header. There. That's perfect for my sidebar. So cute. Alright, so now we get on to the boring stuff. Starting out, I have work. I think maybe I start with the green, blue, pink. Sure. So I'm only working 3 days this week. I'm just going to stick these in. I want that one to be purple. Right? I'm like so confused. Okay, so the color that comes before pink is green. This one should be purple. And then this one should be pink. I can do this, you guys. Alright. There we go. Word labels in. Got it done. That was really challenging. I am going to use that sticker, I think, whenever I do pre-planning. I just don't know when that's going to be. In the meantime, I do know that I want to mark in film, edit, upload, plan with me. I think I'm going to stick that on this guy. I'm going to stick that in right here. Alright, that I think is all I have for Monday. Tuesday, I really don't know what the plans are. And Wednesday, I don't really know what the plans are. Probably gonna do presents. Maybe a little at night. Whatever. We'll figure that out. Thursday. First thing, I have too many sheets. Anyone else feel like that's possible? I am pulling in a couple of stickers from Happy Planner book. I'm going to pull the Christmas Eve and Christmas Day stickers because I want those things to be marked. I'm going to use these flags. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. Oh, I was going to use deco. I've got this figured out. Alright, so there's all this deco here. So I was going to use some of this. So there's this. I can use this little gingerbread house. Like so. Sure, that's not perfect, but I'm going to call it good enough. And then I also want on Christmas Day, I'll mark that with this Christmas tree. There we go. Okay, so that's the first thing. Next up, on Christmas Eve, 24th, I'm going to mark in. They're escaping. Okay, I've got this totally under control. I'm going to stick that flight icon and then this flight icon. That's for the 2 flights that I need to get to my parents' house. Yeah. And then I'm going to stick down here. I think I'm going to stick this in a half box. I'm going to use this one. I'll be failing chronological order a little bit, but I don't care. Stick this in, and then I'm going to use, I think, this little present deco. It's going to be Christmas at my grandparents' house. Very briefly stopping by. Wear a mask the whole time. All that good stuff. So there's that. Christmas Day, I don't really know what's going on. It's just me and my parents that day. This one is probably going to be family Christmas Day. So, I don't know. What should I don't know what to fill in there, so I'm just going to not fill anything in right now. Yeah, I don't know what we're doing this day either. So I think I'm just going to actually leave it as is rather than trying to guess. So this is the pre-planning. Super bare this week, but I have like a ton of stickers left. So, not to worry. I'm going to just stick those over there. I'm going to fill in a little bit I know with the iHow 0.38 cap pen like usual, and then I'll be right back. Alright, that's the pre-planning all done. Stick around for just a second and you can see how the week turned out.